Good morning, first grade. Today, we are going to be taking a look at identifying weekdays and days of the weekend. So today for your lesson, you'll need a couple of different things. You can see that I have my class fact practice. We're gonna go through that in a minute. We also have our guided class practice. You'll need that. And then I would also like you today to have your math folder. So if you can have those three things sitting in front of you, you'll be set for our lesson today. So if you go ahead and you open up your folder, inside of your folder, you see that we have days of the week right here at the top, don't we? So we have these days of the week, and these days of the week are the same as what we go through every day in calendar. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But when you look at this, what do you notice about which day is first? We talk about this in calendar already. The first day of the week is going to be Sunday. Sunday is the beginning of the new week. And so the third day of the week would be what? If Sunday's the first, what's the third day of the week? Tuesday, right. What would be the fifth day of the week? Thursday, right, Throwback Thursday. Remember we've talked about that, getting old pictures out, looking at old memories. Throwback Thursday. And what would the last day of the week be? The last day of the week would be Saturday. And we use our calendar when we are going to talk about this all the time. However, underneath the days of the week, you notice that it shows weekdays and weekend days, right? It shows us that there's 5 weekdays and 2 weekend days, equaling a total of how many days in the week? 7, right? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we have those 7 days in the week. And you also should notice that there are 2 of them that are shaded in. Sunday and Saturday, okay? Sunday and Saturday are going to be the favorite days of the week because they're the weekend, right? And so oftentimes people love their weekends, they love their Saturdays and their Sundays because they get to sleep in, there's no school, they get up and go to church on Sunday, and during the fall you get up after church and you watch football day, right? And on Saturdays, this time of year, usually I'm sitting in the parking lot getting ready to go watch Badger football. So Saturdays are something that I look forward to in the fall. But we don't have that right now, do we? That's okay, because we have lots of other reasons to give thanks to God. And a little bit of rest is really important. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, those are called your weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are your weekdays. Sunday and Saturday, those are your weekend days, okay? Each weekday morning, we write our date. People do many different things during the week, but lots of people are working during the week, right? So any day that you would normally go to school, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, those are your weekdays. What are those? Your weekdays. And your weekend days, Saturday and Sunday, those are your days to do a little more rest. Do some people still work on Saturday and Sunday? Absolutely they do. But there's far more people that are off on the weekend than there are that work. I want you to think for a minute, because tomorrow during our Zoom call, I'm going to be asking you your favorite day of the week. And the way that I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna put something up on our Google Classroom, and I'm gonna ask you to tell me what your favorite day of the week is, because we are going to be making a graph tomorrow, and we're gonna need to know what your favorite day is. So I didn't mean tomorrow, I'm so sorry. We're gonna do that right away today. You're gonna notice something up on your screen on Google Classroom. It's gonna ask you, what is your favorite day of the week? And I need you to type in, is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday? You have 7 choices. Which is your favorite? Okay, you tell me what your favorite is, and we're gonna use those answers to make our graph. So please make sure that you're doing that, and that'll be good to go. Okay, days of the week. Weekend days, which are your 2 weekend days? Saturday and Sunday. What are your weekdays? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Very good. Let's get right to our facts, first grade. So here we go, fact practice. Put your name at the top of your paper. Put the name on the top of my paper. Let's do 2 of them together. These are adding 2 facts and also some review facts in here. Let's do 6 plus 2. What's 6 plus 2? Start at 6 and count past 2 more. What's after 6? 7, 8. And let's do 1 more. Let's see. Oh, let's do 2 plus 8. What's 2 plus 8? Well, you can take your bigger number and start there and then count up. It's easier. 2 plus 8, 8, 9, 10. Remember that that's an important fact to remember because it's a sum of 10. Those are important to remember. Okay, you're gonna have 2 minutes to get going on this sheet. When we are done, we are going to check our work. So work hard for 2 minutes. Ready? Go. Okay, your 2 minutes are up. What we're gonna do now is go through these problems so that you have the correct answers. Remember that if you got one wrong, you just take your colored pencil or your crayon and you put the correct answer next to it. So if I made a mistake and I said 2 plus 2 is 5, we know it's not. We know that it's 4. I would take my crayon or my colored pencil and write 4 next to it. We're gonna go through all these problems. As I'm saying them, I would like you to please say the answers with me. I'll use the black because it'll be a little easier to see. If there's any that you did not answer, use your crayon or colored pencil to put those answers in. So no more pencil work. You should be only using your crayon or colored pencil. All right, here we go. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. Remember, that's a sum of 10. That's important. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 2 plus 8 is 10. We did that one together. Let's go to our third row. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 2, 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. We're on our fourth row. Good job, you guys. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 7, remember, start at your bigger number and then count up however many extra you need. 2 plus 7, which is the same thing as 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 9, 11. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. Last row. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. It's okay if you got some wrong. That's how we learn and how we get better. So don't worry if you got some wrong. On the back side, make sure that your name is on it right away. Let's put it on before we even continue with our math. Okay, name is on your paper. So you're gonna go ahead and read the answers, write the answers, and then ask someone to correct your paper. So right here, that's where they sign their name saying, yep, I checked it over, their answers are correct. If you got some wrong, have them erase them and you can redo them. You can use your pattern blocks if you need to help you. You can use your fingers. You've got almost enough fingers. 9 plus 2, obviously you can't do to use your fingers, but you can start at 9 and you can count 2 more, 10, 11, okay? All right, go ahead and put that sheet to the side. That's your homework for tonight for math. Now, we're gonna get to our guided class practice. Go ahead, please, and put your name on your paper. You also need the date. We are still in the month of September. It is September 28th, 2020. September 28th, 2020. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna clip this up so that I don't have it sliding all over the place. All right, if you need to use your math folder for anything, you are welcome to do that. Don't be afraid to use that. Number 1, it says, Dave had a set of markers. His mother gave him another set of 10 markers. How many markers does Dave have now? What type of story problem is this? Okay, we read it through once. Now we know what it wants. His mother gave him another set of 10 markers. How many markers does Dave have now? What type of story problem is this? So he had 10. His mother gave him 10 more. Is that a some more or a some went away? Hopefully you started circling some more. 10 markers plus 10 markers. 10 plus 10 is 20. Below, I'm just gonna write the problem out because it's really good practice for us to start doing that. It's really good to start writing that underneath. Okay, number 2, fill in the missing days of the week. This is where your red folder will come in really handy if you do not know how to spell any of the days of the week. We just went over them, didn't we? They're right up here. So if I need that to help me, guess what? I'm gonna use it. All right, Sunday, Thursday, Okay, What's going to come after Sunday? After Sunday comes Monday. You'll notice there's a capital M. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, capital T, U-E-S-D-A-Y, capital T, U-E-S-D-A-Y. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday's an even longer word than Tuesday, so you have to make sure you're using your best writing. Don't write super big or it won't fit on the line. Capital W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y. I'll spell that again. Capital W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday's already there for you. What's after Thursday? Best day of the week. Fish Friday. Fish fry Friday. I love Fridays for fish fries. Friday. And it's the last day of the school week, right? We get to do some more fun things on Fridays. Fun Friday. Capital F R I D A Y. Friday. And after Friday, move my board up here. After Friday comes Saturday. Capital S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Okay. Now, you can keep this close by because you might want to use this in a little bit. I'm just going to put it underneath in case I need it for another problem. Number 3, put an X on each circle that has equal size pieces. Put an X on each circle that has equal size pieces. Does this have equal size pieces? Would this be fair? No. See how this one side is really large and this other side is really small? That's not equal. So we're going to leave that one alone. Next one, look at this. Is this equal size? Could I stack each of those pieces on top of each other and not have any left? Nothing hanging over? Yes, I could. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put an X in that one because that's what it told me to do. And then let's look at this third one. This is broken up into 3 pieces. Are they equal pieces? Yes, they are. So go ahead and put an X on that circle. Notice it said on each circle that is equal size. So you weren't limited to just one. You could have as many as there were. Okay, are you ready to follow some more directions? Here we go. Circle the number that is 1 less than 28. First of all, I heard the word circle. And then I heard 1 less than 28. That means I have to go backwards a spot, don't I? So I'm going to look at my 100 numbers chart. 1 less than, I have to go backwards. I have to go to the left. 1 less than 28 is 27. So I'm going to circle 27 because it told me to circle it. Then it says underline the number that is 1 more than 17. So I heard I have to underline, and I'm looking for the number that's 1 more than 17. So here's 17. If you heard 1 more, you're moving to the right. What's 1 more than 17? 18. So I'm going to underline 18. Why? Because it told me to underline. Okay. Number 5. It says write these numbers. Write the number 32. How will you write the number 32? 32. 3, 2, 32. You say it. 3, 2, 32. And here's how it looks in words. 32. Here's your next number. 14. Remember, you have that teen. Teen means it's a group of 10. And you heard 4. Remember, you can put the 4 first, and then you have to say it's a group of 10. So I have to put a 1 in front of that. 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. And lastly, if you need to use your 100 numbers chart to help you with your finding your sums, you can use it. I'm going to put mine to the side. It says find the sums. Then we have to circle the sums that are even numbers. Okay, let's find our sums first. 6 plus 2 equals 6, 7, 8. 0 plus 7 equals, right, any number plus 0 is always the other number. 6 plus 1, what's 1 more than 6? 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. That's great. 1 plus 8, 1 more than 8 is 9. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 2 plus 5. Start at 5 and count 2 more. 5, 6, 7. Okay, now that was only the first part of the directions. Now we need to circle the sums that are even numbers. So remember even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If you didn't remember that, you could look back into your folder because you have your even and odd number chart in your folder. That would be helpful. Okay, so 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So I have to circle. Is 7 an even number? No. That's why I went to 8. Is 9 an even number? 3. If I have 3, I can't give it out evenly, can I? How about 18? Oops, it ends in an 8, right? Is 8 even? Yep, so I have to circle 18. And is 7? No. If you circled the whole thing like I did the first time, that's okay. But you only need to circle the sum. That's that word, sums. Okay, let's quickly look at the back side so you know exactly what to do. Name and date, please don't forget. September 28th, 2020. Make sure you have someone read problem number 1 to you. Number 2, fill in the missing numbers. Number 3 asks you, or I'm sorry, the second part of number 2 is to answer the questions from that chart. 3, X on the circles, on each circle that has equal size pieces. Circle the number 1 less than 42. Underline the number that's 1 more than 23. Write out the numbers. Find the sums and says circle the sums that are even numbers. Remember your even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. It's okay to write those if you need to write them out to help you remember. Okay, when you're done with this sheet and you're done with your fact sheet, you're gonna go ahead and put those back in your Monday folder. We'll see you back for math tomorrow.